Hello, welcome back to LIVENODING. In this episode, I'm gonna share with you this node tree setup that I created using Sverchok add-on. Basically, it generates this Hall of Fame kind of design. Um, it's actually quite simple to make. Let me quickly show it to you. It's made of a bunch of elements, but basically you start with a circle or n-gon in this case, and then the n-gon generate 10 points polygon, and based on that 10 points you separate every other point, so you can kind of create a star shape like this. So that's definitely can be simplified and turned into nodes itself. So there's a bit of rotation control as well there. And after that, I'm using this offset, flip normal, and extrude to get this nice star shapes. And there's this there's Susan head, and there's this element of the circle, and there's another what do you call it, bevel. You can definitely create something like this using star shapes, star curve shapes in Blender. So this is the circle. And there's this text object. This text object is actually something that's live also. Text object of course is always live, and you can change it here. But I am using animation nodes here, so we can easily change the text. Is it the correct name for tone? Let me quickly check. Tone Rus. No, oh, it is actually Tone Rusendal, like a kangaroo with double O. You can write Blender Shigai, the alga. But let's try to improve this. Maybe if I'm improving a little bit, let's have let's say we have a bunch of name. So instead of having a bunch of nodes like this, you can just write down names like this. Maybe Andrew Price, and the Blender Guru guy. Anyway, this is controlling the text, right? You can write anything. We'll update here. You can control the size as well and the extrusion. How to get this text into this guy? It's very easy. Get a text block reader. Plug this there, and now you have everything there. But you want to get elements, so text has a way to split the text into different lines. And then here you can also kind of pick the element. So get list element. So now you can quickly change this. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And you can have list of name, and then maybe have like a base or random number. And we can have like a roulette. Who will get this Hall of Fame? We can have a bunch of names with all Blender artists and Blender developer name list. Top 10. Sandal. Yep. Reynante Martinez, for example. Should be all in capital. Oh, this one should increase. Like I think there's also text that make it like capital. Uppercase. Yeah, not this one. But you can easily turn this into uppercase. Which one? I think I know this guy. Right. Cybran, Dr. Cybran. Can put all the name. Dalai. We have to increase the the number. You can put a lot of bunch of name there, just for fun. Bridge, okay, Bridge also I know. Joshua. All the names. I'm gonna put all the names. Yeah, but Mr. Ton, this is one you can just export it out as GLTF, for example, Hall of Fame, or just call it star GLTF. And if I'm doing this properly, I can use Clay Viewer. Just show it to you. Whoops, what is that? There you go. Doesn't have the text. The text needs to be converted into proper object. Convert to mesh. File export GLTF. Doesn't have convert curve. There you go, 200 null. Wonder if we can change the material. Not in this case, but it's kind of nice. And you can just turn it into USDZ, for example. Let's try this. USDZ star. Right click. New terminal. And I have this little trick. GLTF to USDZ converter. Paste it there. Python GLTF to USD. PY. Output's gonna be star.usdz. And wait a few seconds. We should have our USDZ, and this can be an app actually, but you need to put some kind of material there. But yeah, anyway, that's pretty much it. What I want to show you. That's all procedural star Hall of Fame. Everything created procedurally using Sverchok add-on and animation nodes. Hopefully you find this useful. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.